Namaste everyone. I'm super excited today that we are going to create a stunning Navratri look that's perfect for the festive season. So let's dive right into it. My primary focus in this video is going to remain on these key points. You can have a look. Right now I'm applying my lenses. Everything that I'll be using in this video, I'll write down in the description box. You can get the links from there. For smooth and creaseless application of that concealer, apply your under eye cream and you can always apply it on your face lines. I am the happiest kid when I get the biggest tub of this Bobbi Brown's Vitamin Enriched face base. This is a staple in my vanity because it works on all type of skin, provides hydration and smooth canvas for makeup application, packed with vitamins and botanical extracts. This is a must buy for me. Applying concealer on my eyes for the eye makeup now, using Kosas concealer and a flat brush. This is must when you want to apply that eye makeup with glitters and everything because you want your eye to be matte and you want a clean canvas for your eye makeup. Using my Givenchy eyeshadow, this is one of my favorite eyeshadow, using the brown one. You can always apply it with a finger when you go for an everyday makeup look. I am applying it with a brush right now over here because I want a little heavier look today. Now using a setting spray always helps you in picking more product. I will be using brown and pinks. First I'll apply brown and then I'm applying pink on the full eye. Using a dome-shaped brush always helps in smudging that eyeliner. You need to put that eyeliner. I'm using Urban Decay eye pencil here. It's super amazing and blendable when you want to get that smudgy eye look. Just apply it near to the lash line and smudge it with a dome-shaped brush, the one that I showed you just now. If you want clean lines, you can always take the help of a Q-tip. Now I am super thrilled to be using this Charmacy Milano eyeshadow. It's like a pressed glitter eyeshadow and I'll be applying it with a finger till my eyebrow. That's how you give a little glam look to your eyes. With the price point it comes with, I would say it's totally worth it. It's time now to pack that cream eyeliner with a black eyeshadow. Trust me, you can use any black eyeshadow over here. Since we have not done base, there is no problem if you have any spills. Let's talk about eyelashes now. You can pick a plucker, always pull them from the middle and then pull them out from the sides. With this method, your eyelash will never break and it will come out from the box easily. Now next step is to twist the eyelash. Twist it and measure it. The shortest hair will come on the inner side and the longest will come on the outer side. Now you can take your duo glue on your palette. I like to take it on the back of my thumb, basically on my nail, and then I apply it on the lash line. Always let the glue get a little tacky. Don't apply it right after applying the glue on it. You need to gently hold the lashes with your tweezers or fingers in the center, right above the lash band. Position the false lashes as close as to your natural lash line. Start by attaching the center of the lash. With the help of a lash curler, merge both of them. Now, if you want a denser look in the eyelash, I always apply a gel eyeliner on the upper lash line. It looks really nice and make your lashes look really thicker. Let's start with the base now. You know, Nars concealers are my favorite. Going ahead with them for the pigmentation and applying Charlotte Tilbury setting spray both on my blender and on my face. Now this is my favorite part of this video. Let's talk about this beauty. Valentino 24-hour liquid foundation. I have already tested this in my brother's wedding. It is a Longwear foundation. I loved it. It's a semi-matte foundation. So if your skin is dry, I would say you need to moisturize it properly. I'm putting MAC Fix Plus spray right now because I want more hydration. My skin is dry and this can be a reason. This time this foundation looked a little dry on me, but when I tried it earlier, I loved the results that it gave me. Foundation with a pump is already my favorite, and I traveled from Canada to India and it did not spill. I'm telling you, I have used other foundations, they spill, but this did not spill. And this is a big thing for me because as a makeup artist, you don't want your products to get spoiled. Now we have talked about its longevity. I love the fact that it is a thin foundation. It doesn't look too cakey on the skin. So it gives a very smooth and silky finish, very comforting on the skin. And one thing I'd like to add here that it dries quickly on the face. So you need to be super quick with it. Now using my Givenchy powder in Satin Blanc. This is a new shade I have ordered. This powder comes with a powder puff and I like the fact it makes your skin look a little brighter because of its light reflecting property. It definitely gives a luxury beauty product feel to the face. As of now, I haven't seen any powder like this. Now going ahead with my regular Bobbi Brown bronzer and my Dior Rosy Glow blush. I have been using it since very long. These are the staples in my vanity. If you still have any questions, you can drop down in the comments. So I also ordered this Airbrush in shade dark brown from the Kosas and I have been liking it. The fact it is a multitasker, it's like a gel and it's tinted, so it saves my time whenever I want to do easy to go look. It's one of the product that stays in my bag. Using my K by Katrina mascara. If you still want to see K by Katrina video, it's there on my channel. You can have a look. I have reviewed all the products in that look. Now again giving some hydration on my face and applying K by Katrina. This is the lip liner that is failing my other expensive lip liners. So I would still say that you should watch my K by Katrina video. These products are really worth it. Creating a fine line with liquid eyeliner. I like my eyeliner to look super edgy. Now that's how I complete the look and I want to style it again for you guys because it's a Navratri look. So let's just change. Oops, we forgot the highlighter. I'm super thrilled that Libas Cafe has sent me such a beautiful lehenga and it suits the Navratri look. So I'm going to tag them in the description as well. This is the final look and this is a reminder that you need to follow, share and subscribe Neha Devgan Diaries. And now I'll see you on coming Thursday with a new look. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.